All packed up and going. Right as I was falling asleep last night, I got a toothache from hell. So it was rough sleeping. When I woke up this morning, it was hard to go back to bed. So here I am, hopping out early. Gonna try to push for a big day. Gonna stop at the wayside, see if I can get some aspirin. I have some Advil, but that's more like an inflammatory. So hopefully I avoid rain today. I doubt it. As soon as I get back on trail, I will screenshot my mileage over the last 2 days. For some reason, it's not updating how far back they were. I'm assuming because I'm on the Blue Blaze down by the shelter. So I just had a nice little visit from the rangers. Apparently people were overly concerned that I was drinking a 6-pack. Yeah. So he pulled me aside, wanted to make sure I wasn't driving anywhere. Threatened me with too intoxicated to walk, apparently. I'm like, bro, it was a 6-pack. You know? I don't know who called the rangers on me, but wow, that's something new right there. There's a guy out here who just slammed a 6-pack. Oh, excuse me, forest ranger, we have a thru hiker out here drinking a 6-pack. So I stopped for a little while at the Pinnacle picnic grounds. A, I needed water, and I slammed like 2 liters. And B, I had to cook something. Dinner number 1 is in the books. I had a couple of ramens. I'll eat something more real for the second dinner. Which way am I going here? Oh, where's the white place? Bird's nest number 3, home for the night. Hell of a trip for water though. Gotta get the lighting right. Thank you. Oh, I should use something for size comparison because it doesn't really look that big.
Well, this problem is probably run away. Well, you are not ending up in my bag.